Have you ever watched an experienced analyst work in Excel and wondered how they move so fast? While many people spend hours clicking through menus, top analysts rely on keyboard shortcuts to complete tasks in seconds. These shortcuts save time, reduce repetitive work, and help you focus on analysis instead of navigation. In today's video, I'll walk you through the most useful Excel keyboard shortcuts every analyst should know. By the end of this video, you'll have a practical set of shortcuts that can dramatically improve your productivity. Let's get started. Analysts spend a significant portion of their day working in spreadsheets. Whether you're cleaning data, building financial models, creating reports, or preparing dashboards, small time savings add up quickly. Excel shortcuts help you work faster, reduce mouse dependency, improve accuracy, maintain workflow momentum, increase productivity throughout the day. The goal isn't to memorize hundreds of shortcuts overnight. Instead, focus on mastering the shortcuts you use most often and gradually build your skill set. Let's begin with navigation shortcuts. These are among the biggest time savers because analysts constantly move through large datasets. Navigation shortcuts. Ctrl+arrow key moves instantly to the edge of a data range. Instead of scrolling through thousands of rows, you can jump directly to the end of your dataset. Ctrl+home returns you to cell A1. Ctrl+end takes you to the last used cell in the worksheet. Ctrl+page up or page down moves between worksheets quickly. Selection shortcuts. Ctrl+shift+arrow key selects an entire block of data. Ctrl+space selects an entire column. Shift+space selects an entire worksheet. These shortcuts make data selection faster and more precise. Now let's look at shortcuts that improve data entry. Editing F2 edits the active cell directly without double-clicking. Alt+enter, one read, creates a new line within the same cell. This is especially useful when creating structured notes. Filling data, Ctrl+enter, fills all selected cells with the same value. Ctrl+D fills downward. Ctrl+R fills to the right. Timestamps. Ctrl+ inserts today's date. Ctrl+Shift+ inserts the current time. These shortcuts are excellent for tracking updates and documenting work. Data preparation is a major part of analytical work. Basic transfer commands. Ctrl+C, copy. Ctrl+X, cut. Ctrl+V, paste values only. Ctrl+E+S+V, paste values only. Alt+E+S+T, paste formats. Cleanup shortcuts. Ctrl+H, opens find and replace. Ctrl+E, uses flash fill to recognize and complete patterns automatically. These shortcuts can save hours during data cleaning projects. Formatting makes spreadsheets easier to understand and more professional. Text formatting. Ctrl+B, bold. Ctrl+I, italic. Ctrl+U, underline. Ctrl+1, opens the Format Cells dialog box. Number formatting. Ctrl+Shift+%, percentage format. Ctrl+Shift+%, percentage format. Ctrl+Shift+pass. Number format. Ctrl+Shift+pass. Number format. Ctrl+Shift+pass. Date format. Auto-fit controls. Alt+H+O+I. Auto-fit column width. Alt+H+O+A. Auto-fit row height. These shortcuts help create polished and presentation-ready outputs. Let's make worksheets cleaner and easier to read. Border shortcuts. Ctrl+Shift+ removes borders. Alt+H+B+A applies all borders. Alt+H+B+O applies outside borders. Alignment shortcuts. Alt+H+A+L, align left. Alt+H+A+C center align. Alt+H+A+R align right. Alt+H+A+M, middle align. Alt+H+A+T, top align. Alt+H+A+B, bottom align. These shortcuts make worksheet formatting much more efficient. Analysts frequently restructure spreadsheets. Insert and delete. Ctrl+Shift++ insert rows or columns. Ctrl+- delete rows or columns. Hide and unhide rows. Alt plus H plus U, unhide rows. Hide and unhide columns. Control plus Shift plus 0, hide columns. Alt plus H plus U plus L, hide columns. Alt plus H plus U plus L, unhide columns. These commands help keep complex models organized. Before analysis begins, data usually needs structure. Tables. Control plus T converts a range into an Excel table. Tables make sorting, filtering, and analysis much easier. Filters. Control plus Shift plus L turns filters on or off. Alt plus down arrow opens the filter menu instantly. Data cleanup. Alt plus A plus E opens text to columns. Alt plus A plus M removes duplicate records. These are among the most frequently used shortcuts during data preparation. Now let's move from analysis to presentation. Pivot tables. Alt plus J plus T plus R. Refresh a pivot table. Control plus Shift plus asterisk, double. Select pivot data. Charts. Alt plus F1, insert a chart immediately. F11, create a chart on a separate worksheet. Everyday productivity. Control plus Z, undo. Control plus Y, redo. Control plus S, save. Control plus P, print. Exit. Alt plus F4,